Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to cook Bakareta or beef stew. Delicious. Here are the ingredients of beef stew. Of course, we need the beef, which I pre-marinated earlier with soy sauce, pepper and garlic powder. We'll be needing tomato, onions and garlic for sauteing. We'll be needing this flour, 3 tablespoons flour, pepper, you can use the green, yellow or the red, potatoes cut into cubes, carrots cut into cubes, and I like using fresh mushrooms. So if you don't have fresh mushrooms, you can use the one in the can, and of course tomato sauce. And I like using this the Knorr cubes, not the cubes, the Knorr bouillon, the one that is like a jelly, and butter, like 50 grams butter. The soy sauce was used for marinating the beef earlier. Okay, and this is how to do it. First is you marinate the beef with the soy sauce, pepper and the garlic powder, and after an hour or two you can add the flour. Just give it a toss. Now after mixing the flour with the beef, now it's ready to be seared on the pan. So when the oil is warm enough, put it on a medium heat. Then you can put the beef in there. Don't fry it completely, you just have to sear it. Quick sear. Remember that you don't have to cook the beef thoroughly. So this should be okay. So now we will set this aside and use another pan for sauteing the other ingredients. Now that the oil is hot, you can put the garlic and onion and tomato, saute it. Now that the onions and garlic are cooked, we can pour in the beef. Okay, this time you can add the tomato sauce, around 390 grams. It really depends on what kind of tomato sauce that you use, because some are more sour than the others. So you just have to taste it later. So give it a quick toss. I will add a little bit of tomato paste, maybe like 2 tablespoons. Now I'll put on the bouillon, little bit of pepper, paprika, the sweet paprika or the spicy one. This is the dried garlic that I really like using because it has a very nice strong flavor. And my favorite salt. Just a little bit to taste. So mix it and let it boil a bit. Now you put a little bit of water, like 1 cup. One and a half. Okay, and now you cover it and let it simmer until the beef is tender. Okay. See you later. At this point, the beef is already a little bit tender, but not super tender yet. But you can add the carrots and the potatoes. While simmering for like an hour, you have to check the beef if it did not stick to the pan. So I would advise that you will continue stirring it. Okay, let the potato and the carrot simmer for a few minutes also. Okay, at this point, you try to taste it's good or not. You can add salt and pepper or some garlic powder if you like. Mix it. The potato and carrots are tender, almost tender. A little bit salt. Okay, so we'll wait a few minutes, then we can add the mushroom and the pepper last. Now you can check if the carrots and the potatoes are cooked already, and then you can try to taste it if it's good for you. It's already good. You can add some pepper or more salt. Depends on your preference. Mix it a bit. At this point, you can add the pepper, bell pepper, and the mushrooms. Stir it a bit. It's already looking good. If you want it more saucy, you can add a little bit of water, maybe like half a cup, and let it simmer until the rest of the ingredients will be cooked. And it's already finished. Give it a quick stir, and you can simmer it again. This is our finished product, our beef stew or beef caldereta or bakareta in the Philippines. Tastes good, looks good, and please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and write a comment, and the recipe and the procedure is under the video. Thank you so much. Till next time. Cheers!
Cheers!
Bye-bye na lang. Cheers! Flying kiss? Mwah! Flying kiss? Mwah! Very good.